Good morning. So this is the what I eat in a day video. Enjoy. The first thing I will eat this morning will be some nectarines. The reason why I eat them is mainly because they really need to be eaten. It's a little pre-snack before I do probably a banana, maybe with cacao smoothie. This will be my real breakfast, and we're gonna have some bananas and I will mix them up and maybe put some vanilla powder in it. It's really nice. Raw organic, just vanilla powder, super precious. And sometimes I use some cocoa. I try not to use too much because it's also contains some sort of caffeine and it kicks a bit. So this is how it turned out to be. So I'm gonna take this for work and this I'm gonna have now. So this is how it looks. One pomegranate, and I'm gonna eat all the white stuff as well in there, which grows in between the kernels, just because it's more easy to eat and I don't need to separate it all. So here they are, pears. These are the 5 pears that you saw before, so I cut them up and they're really juicy. I decided to peel them, mainly because the peel tasted quite bitter and they were also not organic. So happy lunch. So as a little afternoon snack, I'm gonna put these dates in here and then some raisins, like about this much. And then I'm gonna put some hot water on it because that helps to break them down more easily and they're a bit more smooth. And then I'm going to put these 2 bananas in, and that's going to be my afternoon snack in the garden. So this is how it looks like, and the reason why I put the dates and the raisins in is basically because I want a bit more calories and I didn't have enough ripe bananas, so that's the way to get a bit more sweet and to have a bit more calories till dinner. Hey guys, so I just came back from Lidl buying some bananas, and to let you know, in between after the work shift in the afternoon in Cologne and driving to Lidl, I had around 5 of these little tomatoes and 1 lovely nectarine. So now I'm gonna make dinner and then I'll let you know how it looks. So here are the ingredients I'm going to use. So there will be a bit of lettuce. I'm going to use about 10 or 12 of these tomatoes, 3 celery sticks, maybe a bit of cucumber, fresh from the garden, also some kale for the dressing, and we also got some really nice fresh herbs. Will be some basil and some dill. And as I have so much stuff today, I'm gonna mix it a bit. Also some rainbow chard. Look at that, it's super nutritious. And some pepper. So here we are, that's dinner. And what you can see, so we have some sunflower seeds, which I just put on top. Then what's in there is a bit of kale, a bit of rainbow chard. It's very nice, and it's a bit salty. It's also very nice. Some lettuce. Then we have some tomatoes and the dressing and celery. There's celery sticks in there, and the dressing I made out of a bit of cucumber, then some dill, a bit of basil, and some lemon juice. And then just putting it in the mixer and making it like a smooth dressing. And that's my dinner. I normally eat around 6 or 6:30 or till 7. Today it was a bit later because I was I drove to Lidl, and just like an hour or so before I go to bed, I eat like one piece of nice and sweet fruit. For example, a banana or some dates, or today it will be probably this pear. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and feel free to subscribe to my channel. Okay, see you soon. Bye bye. Oh my god, this is good. The butter definitely is really nice.